This is the leg curl machine. This is for the hamstrings. So what we're going to do is have a seat into the machine and see how it feels like. If it doesn't feel right, you're going to go back and adjust the back of the machine. You're going to adjust the pad back here. And so every machine is a little bit different, so you're going to adjust the back pad that works for you. Now that it's adjusted, what we're going to do is make sure it's on a lighter weight when you first do this. That way you can get into correct form. You never want to lift something heavy in incorrect form while you're just trying out the machine. Always make sure you do proper form when trying the machine. Okay, so we're going to take our legs, put the back of our ankles on the pads. Now every machine is different. Some are lying down, the hamstring curls. This one happens to be seated hamstring curl. So we're going to take this and we're going to play around. Actually, this feels more comfortable. So you're going to feel yourself, like how does it feel on the back of your ankles. Next, you're going to take this and make sure it's all the way up. That way you can put the pressure when you bring it back. So this is how a hamstring curl is going to look like. You're going to bring it in and squeeze, and you're going to release. We're actually squeezing the back of the leg, which is the hamstring. And what you want to do is you want to breathe out on exertion, breathe in on the release. Here we go. Breathing out, squeeze, make sure core is tight, and then you're going to release. Squeeze the core, squeeze the hamstrings, and release. Now get a few to get used to it, but if it's too light, this is where you adjust it. Then you make it heavier. And then squeeze, breathing out, and release. This is where I can really feel it. And this, you just adjust it to the weight that works for you. And there you have it. That's a hamstring curl.